Welcome back to Carolina Ruck Cuddles. So, this is not a video I wanted to record today, guys, but sometimes things just happen. I've been recording with this thing all week, hoping I was going to get it done. But of course, like everything, my press broke. Didn't realize it until after I spent almost $70 worth of bands ruining them, so I can't even finish this thing today. Let's see, I'll show y'all. Here's one new one. Let's see, we'll find two new ones. Does the used one, does a new one, and does a new one. What happens is when you press them in, they'll turn sideways slightly, and there is zero tolerance. You can see where the teeth of the timing chain teeth actually bite into it. Yeah, that's not good. That shows you they're messed up, and there's the old one. There's nothing we can do about it, guys. I mean, I'm at my wit's end. I'm half sick. Been trying my hardest to get this thing done, and I haven't been able to. Here it is. It's almost 4 o'clock in the afternoon on Saturday. Video comes out tomorrow, and I really am I'm lost for words. I have no way to finish this thing today. I have no parts for anything else. It's like, so I guess we're just not going to record a video this week. I think I'm just going to go ahead and put a bunch of Can-Am videos and a bunch of old videos that I really liked back in the day together into one video. Maybe y'all will like it. Maybe y'all won't. I know some of y'all are going to be like, oh, like, guys, look, I like to put my one video a week. I think I go back, take some of my old videos that some of y'all have never seen properly, put all the best parts that I remember all into one, and I think it would just make a cool video. But this Maverick has just ticked me off. Like, I've done everything I could. It took me 8 hours just to get the motor out, and then some probably, because they don't just come out. Okay, remind me, if I ever say I want to buy another Maverick with blown up motor, no. Or Commando, no. If somebody has to rebuild one, it's going to cost a lot. But my press is broken. I didn't realize it was broken until after I messed up one band, and you go, oh, that happens. Then I messed up the second one. I'm like, oh, well, maybe there's a ball. I didn't feel the ball. Flipped over the other side. Still messed up. Then I started looking at my press and like, oh, the press is messed up. And I know, like, well, why did it take you that long to realize? Guys, look, sometimes you're just like, I got to get this done. I'm on a time crunch. I think that's my biggest issue. I'm just going to take these cases to a dealer. I don't know where the closest one is. Say, hell, how much you charge to put the bands in? At least then I have a warranty from them. But hell, you mess up, that's on you guys. Anyways, guys, I hope y'all enjoy the rest of this video. Well, it'll probably be just a bunch of clips from back in the day. And I mean, some of my favorite clips, guys. I'm just going to take some clips from the last 5 years. Well, we've been doing this for so long. We've never missed a video, and I don't plan on missing one today. I'm going to go ahead this week and record a bunch of other videos that, I mean, I really want to go out and do some wood stuff. Like, go ahead and cut some new paths, take some of the four-wheelers to them. But sadly, it's raining. Because why wouldn't it rain? That was the plan. Plan was to not work on this today and work on this afternoon. But, hey, what can you do? Anyways, guys, I'll catch you at the end. Josh, hey. Holy crap, Josh.
Good God.
I've never seen one tip that much and not flip before. Come on. Oh, no. Oh. I'm leaning back. You know, my tiles ain't even touching anymore. I'm leaning all the way back. If I lean any more far back, Oh. I got it. No! Holy. No. Oh, we're gone. No. Oh, hey, Corporal. Good to see you. Oh my God. She's full of water, but. Oh, there's a lot of water on there. So, I have no way to tip it up, so he'll hope for the best. Come on, baby, get out. Come. Okay, people, time to pull the top off. Show you all the Can-Am. Wait a second. That's not a Can-Am. That's a Honda. Oh, no. Ew. This is gross. Gross. Ugh. Maybe, everybody, we gotta see. Hang on. Wait for it. Okay, we threw the top on. Let's hope this time we pull it off. It is not a Honda. Oh my gosh, please don't be a Honda. Oh, please don't be a Polaris. Please don't be one. Oh yeah, the Gym 1 is back, people. Holy moly! Well, that was not a good idea. Goodbye, seat. Come on, you heavy bitch. Shoot, it is over my head. Come on. Well, I broke the winch. Come on. Oh my gosh, we're floating. Oh my gosh. We've lost the entire float. I'm just swimming behind it right now. It is not touching the ground. Okay. No, you're not leaving. I lost my croc. Oh, croc's floating again. Come on. Yeah, there you go. Go. Oh. Go get it. It's running away. Climb. Oh no. Come on, baby. You got this. Don't get me stuck now. Whoa. Oh shit. We on our side. Ah, this is not fun. Oh crap. Oh, no. Hang on, I gotta put my croc back on. Man-built ship. If you didn't get that video, I'm firing you as the cameraman.
I got it.
You know what I'm doing, Michael? Walking it out. I was trying to tell you, hold on. You're floating. Oh. Ah! Okay. Oh. Ow. Man down. Jonah's like, I can't swim. It's over my head. Oh, he got off. Got a lot of thornberries over there. And I'm in the same place because I haven't moved, guys. Anyways, I hope you like this video. If you wouldn't mind, subscribe. I know some of you probably won't. Subscriptions are way down. I mean, it happens, guys. You get stagnant, and I know it's my fault. I'm not blaming anybody else. Anyways, guys, like, comment, subscribe, and we will see you on the next one. Well, I have a couple ideas for this week. I'm definitely going to do some crunching this week because the plan was all week to get this done and see how well that works. I knew I should have walked in the grizzly or something else this week and put that on the back burner, but I really thought I could get it done. And I thought, you know what, 1,000 turbo would just be bad at the bone. Anyways, guys, I will see you on the next one.